From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm super excited to show you how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. This wig is from Celie hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with wig in the description box below. It is 14 inches long and it has 180 density. I believe they have options of getting the type of density you want, but this particular one is 180 density and I think it's very okay. Like I said, installing the wig was so easy. It came coiled, so they've coiled the wig, the hair already. So the only thing I just did was to use my brush to brush it. If you don't like the coils, you can always change the coils, you know. But I really like this coil. Like, it's really nice and it's very bouncy, you know. At least having something like this, at least is once in a while, is better, at least for a change. And as you guys can see, the hair is really soft, very soft. I just love the length. The length is very nice for me. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So as you can see, there's a box. The box contains the wig and then the bag contains the accessories. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the wig looks like. So you guys can see the curls on the wig. They are very beautiful and bouncy. And this is what inside the wig looks like.
The dirt I shall return when my eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace at the back before installing the wig. Then I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig.
From the darkness to the light, I feel alive.
So here I'm gonna put the wig in order and then like put the combs, install the combs into my hair, my cornrow, to make sure that the wig is very well secured.
I will survive.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Then I'm gonna spray my beard hairspray, and then I'm gonna tie a scarf on it for like 5-10 minutes to let it dry.
pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned. I am stronger now.
So when it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. So right now I'm gonna tweeze out the pattern just to give it a more natural look. And then I'm gonna apply my concealer as well. Then I'm gonna apply my heat protectant oil. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and brush the wig. You guys can see the lace on this wig. It looks absolutely natural. Like the frontal is so natural. I didn't have to lay baby hairs and all that.
From the dust I was born to the dirt.
So here I went ahead to spray my holding spray.
In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid.
And yes guys, this is the final look. You guys can see that this wig is absolutely beautiful and it's so easy to install. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.